Morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Friday. Glad you're here with us. I'm Brendan here with Miss Heather Bricca.
Yes, happy Friday. It's now the first full week in the books.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ever since Heather officially took over the morning show, she's been adjusting to her sleep schedule and
Adjusting
and she's
still in progress.
She's vertical. She's here and providing the weather.
Yeah, and
weather
no
quizzes.
caffeine again today. So we're running on excitement.
That is shocking. I wanted some coffee, but there's some burnt coffee at the bottom of the coffee pot.
And we only have one pot, right?
Somebody left the coffee burner on overnight. So I'm surprised I didn't smell it, because when you leave in your workplace, maybe at home, you accidentally left the coffee pot on. Normally you can smell the burnt coffee. Not this time. I went up there to go make it and go, nope, I'm going to turn this off and let it cool down.
Yeah, and in the past when it's been burnt, it's like it takes a while for it to keep burning, and then the whole building smells like it after it's been burning for like a whole day.
Yeah.
So
anyway, no coffee for me, no caffeine for Heather, but we're glad you're here with us. We already have people commenting. And
perfect. We do have to keep this a little tight today. We
Yes.
have a stream that we need to start closer to 9 o'clock. So
correct.
We'll get into the forecasts and weekend questions. Brendan, will we read your comments here? So we'll start with the weather quiz. What are the 3 pieces of data that a weather balloon collects? And it's released 2 times a day by the National Weather Service. Is it pressure, fronts, and rain, wind, cloud cover, and dew points, or temperature, wind, and pressure?
And they're all released exact same time, right? Across the world?
Yes. They go off of Zulu time. So they release them all at the same time. And then if there's special weather events, they'll release, especially during like hurricane season or special winter weather events. I know NWS Gaylor has released extra balloons in the past for the blizzard, like last year. In Valpo, we released a weather balloon for the National Weather Service in Chicago during that polar vortex year where it was like negative 55 degrees.
Gotcha.
So sometimes they need more information and they're expensive to release. So they don't like to do extra ones, but it's helpful when there's, big weather events.
Sure. Okay. Good to know.
Yeah. All right, we're going to the bridge to show you this morning. It's pretty socked in right now. It was a little bit worse. You could hardly see the posts on it earlier. So we're seeing a little bit of fog across northern Michigan this morning. So we'll show you what that weather visibility map looks like. We're sitting in 3-mile visibility, 3 miles over in Gaylord, Rogers City, 6 in Sault Ste. Marie, 5 on Mackinac Island. And then on the western side of the map, looks like we have some clear visibility. On the western UP side, quite a bit of fog too. Most of that will clear out of here pretty quickly once the sun starts to rise and will warm up quite a bit today. Temperatures right now, we're sitting in the 30s and 40s, a little bit cooler, sitting in West Branch at 27, 33 in Grayling, 40 in Manistee, and 40 in Sault Ste. Marie. Show you the visibility map one more time, but I wanted to show you snow cover. We're talking about warmer temperatures today, and with those warmer temperatures, we're going to see a lot of the snowpack melting, and this is what the current snow on the ground is. We did see quite a bit of retreating from some of our counties already earlier this morning, so I think we're still going to see even more melting than what this shows even right now. So some spots could be seeing even less. And today we're going to start to see our warm front make its way through. So that's when we're going to see a little bit of increasing cloud cover. I think some of us could see a little bit of sun into the afternoon, but then we're going to really cloud up. Winds will pick up out of the southeast, for the most part, shift out of the southwest later in the evening at about 5 to 15 miles an hour. Gusts as high as 30. Stormcast doesn't show it, but I think into the afternoon and evening, we could see a tiny stray shower in the eastern upper peninsula. Saturday, that's where we're tracking our next system. And that's, we've talked about this all week on Facebook Live, but it seems like we're going to see a lot of this rain. It'll start earlier in the day tomorrow. It will still be a windy day tomorrow too. So not a good day to get outside. And if you do, you might need an umbrella and a jacket. Sunday, we'll start to see a second cold front move through, and that's when that lake effect snow will set up in our snow band regions. especially. So Sunday, some will stay dry, especially our southern counties, even parts of the eastern side of the map. And then Monday, we'll see more snow bands. And then Tuesday, we'll see another round of lake effect snow. So if you are in the Upper Peninsula, it looks like we're pretty consistent with some snowfall. We could be picking up a few inches. Everywhere else, it looks like it could be more of a wet mix, might melt when it hits the ground. And then we might see a little bit of accumulation and some wet roads, especially Monday morning and then Tuesday morning. 4-zone forecast high temperatures today will be warm today, increasing cloud cover. Again, stray shower in the Upper Peninsula if you were up there today. 43 in Newberry, 45 in St. Ignace. Winds will be breezy today. You can see all those wind vectors on the map, and you can see it's going to be a breezy one. 46 in Gaylord, 50 for Elk Rapids, 52 in Northport, 49 for Charlevoix today. Cloudy, breezy, 49 in Cadillac. Tonight will be a mild evening. We'll see clouds, but then rain showers will move in. I think we might see a few early showers before Sunday morning hits, so a few overnight. Cloudy skies for the northeastern, northern lower. Temperatures 30s and 40s tonight. 44 in Frankfort, cloudy skies, and then breezy conditions. Our extended forecast, there's a lot of text on here because there's a lot going on. We do have those rain showers Saturday, and then that cool air mass will move in Sunday. We'll see a few snow showers with that, again, mainly staying to our north. And then Monday and Tuesday, we'll see those isolated to scattered lake effect snow showers in those snowbelt regions Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday looks like it's going to be dry for now. Temperature is back to around average and some sunshine possibly on Thursday.
Okay. Paul's at the top of our list here saying good morning from Rogers City. Joel's watching from where else but the Pleasanton Patriots pubs, 38 degrees and sunny where he is. Got 37 degrees and sunny for Christopher in Farmington Hills. Susan Lash Sims is watching from Kalkaska. Watching again. She was up early with us this morning. It's 36. Sun's peeking out from behind the clouds. And Heather has left for the day. Have a good weekend.
Yeah, goodbye. Goodbye.
There she goes.
My water bottle's over here.
Oh,
so.
okay. She needs a little sip. She's been
Yeah.
talking all morning. Gail's watching in Kingsley, 36 degrees. It's sunny there. Happy Friday to you, Gail. Christopher is guessing the temp, wind, and pressure option there. Susie Q is reporting 33 in Frederick. She said it's going to feel like spring if the sun comes out.
It will feel like spring.
She's off to go check out some trucks for her hubby, and she's going to be seeing her sister in Saginaw. Safe travels, Susie Q.
Fun, yes.
And have a great day, everybody, she said. An awesome job, both of you. So happy you are working together. I'm happy about it too, Susie
Me too.
Q. Glad everybody's on the same page.
Yes, that's good news for us.
Susie Q is guessing C. Susan is guessing C. Joel is guessing the temp, wind, and pressure. So C as well. My mom's watching again. Hi, Mom. She was up early this morning.
She has been up early in the morning.
Probably taking care of Benj or something. Saying happy Friday to Brendan, Heather, Gibb, and Sarah too, including producer Sarah and Facebook friends. She's hoping the sun continues to pop out there in Port Huron. She's wishing she could bring some coffee to us. She needs some of her sweet Brendan time, as she puts it. Soon enough. A couple weeks to go.
Is there
Mom.
a plan for a visit soon?
Yes, I'll be going to her.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
For
in a couple
Christmas,
weeks. For the
I
Christmas
imagine.
time.
Okay.
Yep, exactly.
I'll be going to the eastern side of the state too for Christmas, but just northeastern.
Gotcha. Yeah, the sunrise side of the state, but a little north of where Port Huron is. Yeah. Joanne's watching from Commerce, 37 degrees. She's saying all the ladies in her family getting together tomorrow for Cookie Day. Apparently, Heather, they make cookies all day long.
That sounds like a lot of work, but super fun. I had a hairdresser back home that would do that. And I'd always see all the pictures from all the cookie making. And there would be like 20 of them doing it. So.
20 people?
Yeah.
Where do they do it? Like a commercial kitchen or something?
No, it's just someone's home kitchen.
Wow.
That had like a big island and some space. So it sounds like so much fun. I bet it smells amazing.
Oh, I bet.
Do you ever get tired of eating all the different cookies that you're making?
That's never, ever happened to me.
No.
What about you, Heather?
I do. So I'm not a huge sweets person. I love cookies, but if I eat too much dough and then cookies, I start feeling nauseous from how much sugar I eat, so I can eat too much.
Yeah, it's possible.
Yeah.
I eat too much dough sometimes, and then my stomach gets upset with
I
me.
remember, was it last Christmas get together that our coworkers had? You ate too much dough and your tummy hurt.
That's quite true. I don't
remember
exactly
that
remember
last
when.
year.
It happens every so often. Zero self-control. Well, Joanne, have fun.
Yeah, have fun.
Sounds like a good time.
Mm-hmm.
My aunt would do that. I think she would do it all by herself. She would make tons of cookies and then bring them over. And so, yeah, a lot of memories I feel like are connected to baking and holiday time. Yeah.
Yeah, my mom always makes her homemade biscottis all the weeks leading up to Christmas. We used to bring like massive bags to all our bus drivers and teachers and friends and stuff. So that's a core Christmas memory. Hopefully, I haven't asked, but I hope there's a Bricca package in the mail soon with some homemade fudge and biscottis.
Ooh, that sounds delicious.
Yeah.
I hope so too.
Mm-hmm.
For your benefit, of course, not
for anyone
not
else.
for anybody else. Yeah. Mark is watching from Zephyr Hills, Florida. Cool today, by the low 80s for the weekend, though.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Isn't there going to be some storms down there? I saw.
You're asking the wrong person. Meteorologist Heather Bricca, I'm not sure. While you look there, Jackie is saying good morning, Kalkaska, 32 degrees. She thought it was spring yesterday and looking forward to some sunshine.
I think Northern Michigan thought it was too.
Gail's guessing C. Oh, our friend David's chiming in from Baltimore. Welcome to the morning show, Heather, David says.
Oh, thank you.
He comes up to Northern Michigan at least once a year, I think.
I do remember him watching previous Facebook Lives. 2 years ago, fun fact, I was filling in this whole week for Mark.
Wow, you have a good memory.
Yeah. Well, it's also, I had a Snapchat memory, and then I look at the time that I took the picture, and it's like,
okay.
4 a.m. Okay, yeah.
Definitely the morning show, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
He likes to update us on the weather there on the East Coast. This weekend for us, Saturday, sunny and in the 50s. Sunday, heavy rains and windy. There's a Ravens home game. There's a chance the rain could end as snow Monday morning. We haven't had 1 inch of snow or more in more than 780 days, possibly more. Send us some snow, especially in January, he says.
I will send it your way. If you want this snow we're getting, I'll try.
Leslie saying good morning, wishing everybody a wonderful weekend. Spencer's guessing F. He's making up an option, I guess.
Okay.
Jackie says 1. So maybe the first option there. Christopher's going to be reading the second Advent scripture this Sunday in Livonia at his church there in Livonia. And Steve is watching from Tennessee. He said 37 this morning, severe weather tomorrow night.
Yep. Yeah, I saw that severe weather outlook for basically the southern part of the state. So lucky for us here, we're not going to be dealing with any of that. I want to pull up the...
It looks like we're all caught up on comments, Heather.
Cool. We have a little bit of time. I just want to show this one more graphic.
Oh, and then Mark's saying the one in Florida, rain late Sunday afternoon, and then temperatures will drop.
Yes. Sounds about right.
Gib, did I say hi to everybody? Oh, Gib had to refresh his app. Do you have any messages for the friends? He goes, nah, I'm good.
He's good. Severe storm outlook from the SPC. I'm going to zoom out because we have it zoomed in for, yeah. So areas of Oklahoma, Texas, even up to Missouri. Might see a little bit of storms today. Lucky for us, our low pressure system is just going to hold off for the weekend.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we'll reveal the answer since we kind of have to wrap this up unless there's any other comments.
Yeah, go for it.
It's temp, wind, and pressure. So
there we go.
There you go.
And
super helpful information for all of us as meteorologists. We love our weather balloons.
And it's cool how, because I follow NWS Gaylord on their X account, it shows, and I'm sure Facebook too, it shows where the weather balloon goes up, where it pops, and where it comes down, where it lands. I don't know if they do that for everyone, or I don't think they share it every time. But
they don't. They
sometimes
just
go
do it when
far.
it's kind of fun.
Yeah.
But every GPS, or at least every weather instrument attached to the weather balloon, has a GPS that sends back the location. And then the minute that it pops, it loses that signal.
Okay.
So sometimes it will drop, and it's probably not in the exact location, but they usually know where it goes. So if it's a fun one that like gets taken further away or even closer to the office, I've seen that before.
Yeah.
They'll post it. So it's always fun.
My mom's willing to make grandma's fudge for me. I don't know if I've ever had grandma's fudge.
Ooh.
My dad actually likes fudge more than I do. I think it's a little sweet, but
It is
I'm sure
pretty
my
sweet.
mom's would be perfect though. Perfect amount of sugar.
If you just cut them into small like squares, then you can just have like one little treat. And then,
that's a good idea.
yeah.
And she's saying, congratulations on your first week, Heather.
Thank you, Christine. I didn't think I was going to make it till today just from how much lack of sleep I've had. But we're here, so.
And we are grateful.
Yeah.
Christopher talking about how he follows the NWS SPC on Facebook. Joel, 5 for 5. Nice job.
Wow.
Christopher is also 5 for 5. And Susie Q saying, wow, 5 for 5. Thank you, Heather.
Everyone's had a hot week this week.
Ouch.
I thought that was going to be a harder question.
Well,
but
not for our friends.
maybe
They're
not.
on to you, Heather.
Maybe when I was making it at like 5 a.m., I was thinking that it was harder.
Try again Monday.
Yeah, we'll circle back Monday. We have plenty more Mondays to try to stump you guys.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And would that fudge be from the back of a Hershey's can? Jackie wants to know. All right, well, we got people thinking about cookies and fudge,
Treats.
the weekend, treats and things, but we will say bye for now. We'll be back Monday.
Yes, have a good weekend, everybody.